Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a personal statement. What is a personal statement? A personal statement is an account of your achievements, talents, interests and goals, often included in job or university applications or on resumes. Personal statements for university and jobs have similar content, but university personal statements are usually longer and more detailed. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a personal statement step by step. In the first paragraph, open a topic about your interest and dream by telling the recipients that you have been into it since you were a kid. In this example, my interest is in basketball. And then, mention how the program or university you apply is a huge opportunity to make your dreams come true. In this case, I apply to a college so that I can compete in a higher level. Tell how this college or program would bring big impact to your life. In the second paragraph, tell the good things about you that have relation to the program you apply. Since I am interested in basketball, I need to tell details about my ability in basketball. You need to convince the recipients how good you are in the field you are interested. You can mention your knowledge about it. And you can also mention how good you play it. And if it is in a team, you can mention how good you are in leadership or teamwork. You have to be confident when you give your personal statement. In the third paragraph, tell how you work hard to grow your skills. You can mention the number of clubs or programs you joined that are in line with your interest. This will show how serious you are in achieving your dreams. So, the recipients will consider you as their best candidate. In the fourth paragraph, besides the program you join, you need to also mention your academic records. For example, you have a high GPA. And you also achieved some honors, active in volunteer, in religion, and so on. This third paragraph is as important as the second one. So, don't hesitate to mention all your achievements here, especially when they are in line with the program you apply. And, in the last paragraph, say how much you want to attend the college. You can write all your hopes here when you are accepted in the college. And close it with impressive statement like how you want to make your parents proud and become role model, for example. So, that's how you write a personal statement. I hope this video helpful for you. Good luck.